Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the report and choosing the chart or data source you want to extend. Once selected, click Add a Field or open the Data Source Schema Editor so you're editing in place. Make sure you already know the field name, expected type, and the formula or expression you'll use. Doing this first keeps you from toggling between screens. If you use functions or case logic, jot them down so you can paste confidently and avoid syntax mistakes. You now write the formula and pick the right data type. Start with a small expression, for example rejects extract for parsing or case to bucket values, and watch how the preview updates. Once done, set aggregation like SUM or count when the field will be used in charts. Make sure to name the field clearly so teammates understand purpose. Use the sample data preview to validate output across a few rows. This saves time before you finish by saving the new field and adding it to your charts or filters to confirm behavior. Once live, test with different dimensions to ensure aggregation and formatting are correct. If performance drops, consider pre-computing fields in your source or simplifying expressions. If numbers or text look wrong, inspect the formula and confirm the field type. Mismatched types cause silent errors. Finally, make iterative edits. Small refinements usually resolve parsing or aggregation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.